Kevin G with a weather overview. Thought I'd throw up the October 29th, 2011 snowfall history map from a couple of years ago. We have had some crazy weather around these parts, obviously with the exception of last year, but it was quite a storm, especially if you were in the Hudson Valley and those higher elevations. Here's the temperatures right now, 57 degrees. This is off Intellicast.com. And the last slide was courtesy of the NOAA Facebook and Twitter page. Now, moving right along, we know about the cool temperatures for this weekend. We knew that a storm would influence our weather. The question was always going to be, how much would the storm influence our weather? This is AccuWeather.com's depiction. You see that U shape, that's a dip in the jet stream. And as it does so, as the jet stream carves itself out a trough, it'll form a powerful storm. But that powerful storm is going to be too far offshore to influence our weather to a severe extent, let's put it that way, but although it will have some influence on our weather. Here's the map that I put out the other day, threat level for significant snowfall, and this map was overdone. I'm not happy about this. I was banking on a storm that would have been closer to the coast and more intense, and that's why I did put out that map. That would have been for the highest elevations nonetheless, but still an overreach on my part. Here's the Friday weather map off of NOAA. You could see that the storm is starting to develop on our coastline, but then it gets picked up and moved out. Here's AccuWeather.com. And as it gets picked up and moved out, it merges with another storm to become a powerful entity over the western Atlantic. But it's too far offshore to really give us a severe nor'easter. It would have been quite a show had it been closer to the coast. We would have gotten lots of rain, lots of wind, and we would have gotten potentially some snow north and west in the higher elevations and an ending of rain-snow mix across the coast. But that is not the case. So what we're left with is a glancing blow. And that glancing blow will be in the form of persistent light rain. You might even say it'll begin tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. If you're going out, take the umbrella tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. Saturday, it's a persistent light rain, especially the closer you are to the coast. And then by nightfall, things start to clear out from west to east. Sunday, we're left with a windy day for the marathon runners. Temperatures stay just around 50 degrees, but the wind chill is going to be in the upper 30s with that wind blowing 30 to 40 miles an hour out of the north. So when you're running uptown, that's when you're going to feel it the most because you'll be in the teeth of the wind. You'll be running toward the wind. And of course, if you're running in the marathon, please set the clock back. You'll look like a weirdo if you get to the race too early. Those maps are provided AccuWeather.com and Facebook. NOAA has a great site on Facebook and Twitter. And of course, I follow weather at blogspot.com and terrifically talented tweets on Twitter at KevStorm NYC.